Welcome back to our channel. Our time in Punta Umbria had come to an end, and although we were sad to leave this little paradise, it was exciting to know that another new experience was awaiting us just around the corner. In this episode, we take a look at the engine and give it a much needed service. But first, let's make our way to Cadiz. Due to Cadiz Marina being super commercial, we chose to stay a few nights in Rocha Marina just across the bay. But our journey there was a little terrifying, as we made the mistake of forgetting to check the most important thing before you go sailing: the weather. So yes, we were dangerously driving through thick fog all day long, until it ironically cleared up just 1 mile away from Cadiz.
Watch out for those lobster pots.
Yeah, that's right next to it. Oh, it's
On yourself?
Yeah.
That's why I gave you the tissue. Where's the tissue I gave you? Look at this. This is what experienced captains do. Look at the state. What a mess. Where have you put the...
In my pocket.
Well, I'll get you another. What a mess.
I blame you.
Oh, she's got it. Here we go. Here's the cleanup job.
Compass.
Can you see where you're going? Will you steer as well as spill your soup everywhere? Need more tissue than that. Give me more tissue.
What happened? Do you remember the other day when you annoyed me when I spilt my tomato soup? Hey? What are you doing? Food all over the road. Now you put it in the piss bucket.
Yeah, but it's got fresh water.
Nevertheless, we arrived safely in Rocha Marina, ready for a well-deserved meal.
No, mate.
Please do it.
So if you smoke it, my fucking got it is. Blow it like on somebody else, or every fucker else. As if you don't want to smoke. You've got a stick in your mouth, smoking it in. So if you're going to smoke, and chew that shit down. So you can blow it out and then chew it in. And then maybe do it a couple of 3 times. So recycle that shit.
Oh my god.
At least we get less of a fucking face full of fucking dog shit. It's all about saying.
Yeah, right. And he drinks his coffee. The following day we booked our ferry tickets to go across to Cadiz, which took only 30 minutes to get there. And we actually really enjoyed that we were able to experience the city of Cadiz and tap out of that city madness at the end of the day. Under the tunnel of destiny.
Stick this one on YouTube.
Are we gonna die?
No, we're not going to die. No, we're pretty confident with that. Okay, remind me to turn that back on.
Turn that back on.
Yeah, not now. The situation is, over here in the engine, the alternator, whilst travelling, had slipped back up here, meaning the belt was a bit loose. And then, if you look at the belt here, if I spin it around, look where it's sat, how thin it is here, where it's sat on the alternator. Look at the difference in diameter between this part And this part, a lot of talk online about ship belts from Beta or something like that, or get an agricultural belt or something. I'm gonna have to research, or if anyone knows anything, drop us some comments, that'd be ace. What I think I need to check though is this bolt here where the alternator pivots from. So I need to make sure that is fully tight. It's quite hard to get to from the back here and the front, and make sure that's really tight once I've fitted the new belt. And the other issue is, no one tells you anywhere online, on YouTube, or I can't find it so far, how to change these belts. I mean, with this Beta Marine design, this belt is now sort of trapped with the impeller unit here. So the only method I can see is either undo these bolts here and remove the pump and slide it out the back, or take the two pipes off and slide it out either side and then slide the new one in to refit into where it's supposed to house. That is the method I'm going to do, but this pipe will be easy obviously because it's flexible, but this one isn't. When I undo and just slide this up a bit, I should just have enough room to pop the belt out, and then we can put our nice brand new belt in. This one's come from Beta Marine itself. The problem is this is my spare one now, so that means this will hopefully be the extreme backup, but that means I'm going to have to order some more belts, which normally wouldn't obviously be a problem, but because of wonderful Brexit, yeah, getting parts from Beta Marine into Portugal or whatever is not easy. So I had to get these from a guy in Milan and ship them across with a, you know, I've bought a little box with a few parts. It cost me €100 just an import. So cheers Boris for all that Brexit talk. Right, so let's get down to business. First job, I think, and what I'm going to do is, if you look in the back over there, a little blue seacock, which is going to draw the water up into the filter, the raw water, the seawater, down to this pipe. So I'm going to go and turn that seacock off. Nothing should come through because it's obviously higher than the level, but let's be safe. Turns out this is the way to do it. Yep, that's alright, that's just in that tube. Now look, we can slide the belt off this way and slide the belt off.
Yay!
She's free. Right, so now, new belt, Pro Torque, goes under there, over the alternator, and we'll deal with this tensioner a little bit later on. That looks a miles better fit than our last belt though. Half an inch play, a quarter turn on the fattest part, no more. New belt fitted. First time I've done that.
Next time on Horizon Seekers.
Hey, 2 hours work and that's it. Head down, go to sleep. It's the morning, what do you think you're doing?
Sleeping.
Why are you sleeping?
My head hurts.
You're a sushi. Yeah.
Yay!